nti abronya no ba o china no munya na me plan mahama coup date ye betu na ban no masa se wotimi waste police e de koche obi ono no enye criminal o kanya nsa to adwim se wagimi koche nipa o threat obi na se wontimi nchi criminal obokukum nipa wontimi nchi ala tafo a mu.
All right, Abusiafo, Nyamisha Media, Medin the Logo artists. I hire Ghana and TV. Must show subscribe to the channel. Don't mind. Therefore, I do in comment section. Nyamisha Abusiafo. Abronya arrest we and ma Ghana for bebree kasa. Ghana for bebree kasa. And Chini Jonas su be kasa ya wasi. John Dramani Mahama ni nyansa baku se. Wasi nyansa baku. Nyansa ye friend nyansa baku poni ni trip. Anka wanyansa anka sa police na o suma say yenko chi abronya no anka obesuma o mako ni krom ntokwa AC wo hono. But because John Dramani Mahama na agi santi enya be na make this is what Chini Jonas can or say your money 48 hours while releasing abronya or be making sure say cool basi wa Ghana. Na DSC on Nepal Wuana and see Abusiafo mbaye nkona enkotidia Chiri Jonas eka fasa asa wujina na Ibrahim by Bastos
nti abronya no ba o china no munya na me plan mahama coup date ye betu na ban no masa se wotimi waste police e de koche obi ono no enye criminal o kanya nsa to adwim se wagimi koche nipa o threat obi na se wontimi nchi criminal obokukum nipa untimi nchi ala tafo a mu kum nipa Igbo king abusianfo a you have to go home ye be yeku atu because anya ne sa mu be jimi sa entima nya abronya na ku besi me ka kira IGP na ntwie no ku si na fa hu wa free because ye ba be chim na ye be coup date ni be to social media no so na musifa ne say ya agro na se mu di jimi na se mu ko na soja fo ni bi kumu a mo kum free enti se mo nya na ku besi mu ja na obi anem ni asem because jimi sem se obi say mu nipa threat mo nkoche no mo se me ya de ono no criticize aban ye koche no ba de ono ye criminal na threat ne de ya ja ni free mo bo dam muti jo mama uti abofo uni twasere jo mama uni twasere wano a etinsuo wate kwasia jimi sa na ebu o man. Ever coach you see you are always the best. Thank you. I really appreciate you. Obi anko Chini Jonas TV non subscribe. Say ya what the comment about me hunma body. Your mom we Jimmy too much. O yire Lodina ne toka pu se mapuka. Lodina Jimmy for tia ukuro no. Nya sa obeda ne kurani o ana obese mi kunuma o. Obese mi kunuma na afa na japade ana. Ani e me ya ma wate. Se untimi ntia kwase mpanyi your mama na me kuna ma wafa na japade. Munkanya so nkoto funaka na onya real na mekuno oni yohono somso ma jimi a asia kronfo ekum nipa sojafo ni police amde ombebo time e wo ka akwam na omo achi criminals na oman ni mo save no mo se yemfa ne nkochi obi ono tewa abronya we kura no ye kochi no eno aso af se mo pe na mo ntum nsanfre no no abeso yaba because ono oni boni bia ono atem na odi mo se ma jimi de mo ye no ebema nimkofo na abetret mo nso bi ama eno nso afi no masa akoche o munyansa nim de o kana no kwasem because enipa mienu na abo edi boni agina ho ye mienu enipa mienu akowi abode we si o we free mi krom nti onko free na we free mi krom nti onko da prison we ya aboa. The law supposed to treat everybody equal enti mienu na akowi abode we free mi krom kra still e so oni omunyina akoface charges. Na se wanye ne saa o se kuro no asema abronya ka no mistake bia ni ba bia IGP ni odwan obviously to give it to Kevin Taylor your mama didn't true mo won say na no for abobo edru anwumire a oye oba o sherik na washi wabo brazia all they say no atwi makeups no atona no lipstick no abe control ni mu na your mama I dey luba fa ne kote ho no dia won trum sruru enti na muntimi ntwa trum no enti your mama di Kevin Taylor trum o mu mienu nyina Kevin Taylor ni trum na o madi ama ne no fo abobo no enti edura na adwa Kevin Taylor yo ba unsu wagimi okoma ntokwa we kwase ya che nipa bia what dia say enti anya say anka obi amaye campaign see ya ba ibetwa trum akufo adu din trum there's nothing I'll be back at him say stop me say ma muntimi ntwam Why? And
So I expect same on every individual in this country.
Yes.
The application of selectivity in terms of justice is dangerous for us as a country. And then let me quote the former National Security Minister, Ay3 Kandapa, when he met the judiciary in a conversation, and he was frank to tell them that from the look of things and what he's hearing and seeing, say, said the enormous corner in terms of their rulings and their judgments now is not healthy. If we are not careful, it will create a certain impression. So lift that conversation, come and put it here this afternoon, that if we are not careful as a country and as a government, some of the actions and their inactions, it's creating a certain mindset for all of us to think through, especially with the approach. Oko era above.
Yes.
Now, officer mandated by Ghana to act on our behalf, on our dear rightful. Why do you jump walls?
So I'm jump.
Yes, if you jump and obi at sebi, on also feel say comfort not pay. What comes out of it? I don't know why.
Uniform.
I don't know why abai after abai. We have decided to frustrate and intimidate and to encourage this kind of thing in this country. It's very hurting. If you go to read what Olivia kindly actually go to Facebook and now, they be at that some of the part. Don't chance a four we no careful. We should get away from that perception of when we have power, we will use it anyhow via our emotions. And forget about the loss of the land and apply our emotions on the office that we have. We are saying, baby, in so better punch and we'll be about you. We will not care about what you do again. And they should hear us. When that time comes up, we will not know who is powerful or who is not powerful. Because in so better punch and we are building a country that we all want, not a country that will suit a certain group of people. That is what we have done to ourselves up to this point. And I'm surprised that when you tell government after government, when they're in power and you are talking and you are talking reality to them, they will always come back at you, insulting you. But the question is, whether 4 or 8 or 12 years, there is appointed time for every political party
to leave power.
That time will come. So, touch wood. So the next elections, if he says the NDC is not in power, are the people occupying positions now thinking through what the future holds for them? We don't build a country like that. Because the space now is not comfortable.
And
it's not comfortable.
I was a bit shocked. I already abroad your way, As a meteor baby, so say police for no or say he ordered me to report to the National Police Headquarters immediately to answer questions as to why I have been insulting and disrespecting the IGP, Mr. Christian Tete Yohonu.
Obi, we talk about insults in this country. We talk about insults. We want insults to be a question for all of us to discuss in this country. People in power and out of power. We talk about insults.
And we've sat here to say, sir, this thing I do level as will be a bien and no attempt. When you are in opposition, it will sound all sweet because it favors your cause. But over power, you would say, and you're exciting how when people are insulting you. And that is where we are. That's where we are.
Well,
my meaning for Matisse, Abronya is being moved from police CID to NIB, National Investigations Bureau. Mamene Moses Abo enin komo sisi ana memra. Moses akwa be saying.
Menya medasi obi na uswe.
Nya do me ho ye papa. Na sisi amu wa henfa.
Oh, this year there me move me back to Kukumlemle because now me were headquarters for mo and I work 4th floor SIU. But me were down on na me unse CID for no. And then I pay and then go for 2P and I'm one in the coy. They pay my investigation. I'm a DH cram, me on some knock or 2 NIB. To me, one, I mean, can I then a coy no? Abba back with a 2 CID and on my fruit top one. And to so, see, I'm no Casano. The investigation mine is over NIB. So there's,
Na
In the anopay now no reporting who to police CID meboa.
Ono no reporting no call police CID.
In Odru how better time may unim?
Time them in but maybe about around 10 going.
Around 10.
Yeah.
And
11.
He's been at the CID till now.
Yeah, CID until 1 month or move on.
I'm going to call NIB.
That's right.
Na call ho na on the lawyers ne wo ho.
Na lawyers no what top one more than the lawyers ne wo. To be bad down. Tell me baby ato. To me ba na me hu say o ma drop a o mo ne etu ka ma o mo de ne ko. To me wa some of the bloggers media phone na yeah dim command na me say saka na sababio. What men now money ne ko no. O ba back and o mo through top one.
Or any idea why police for etons afreno?
Last week, and Tama and Bano 2 na ye court na ye ko mamo court bela. Omo share ya ye court omo ye Johnson. And I may nya hint to be say yes, we did the IGP attempt. Nti omo canon amse osa. I said ya wa hado monko for the Nana Akufo-Addo attempt. And then omo nya one way in opposition. Omo opposition. I deal with it. There should be a way omo be share more di between. But te bibia ya see a coachinipa bibia a coachinipa bedu bibia. Nipa da send don't me control mu. But when I bibia see now so bia dem rana ide ato myself and I left. Eti endra and I no fina police for no ammen ba me fie say omanya ntie say abro nya o me fie. I'm say out. Every normal no, every me fear, be a gate, my papa bomb. No more searching me fear now.